Hey, what's happening guys? This is Abhishek and we are back with another video on Gizmo Ground. And this time around we are going to be unboxing the EKSA, if I spell that correctly or if I pronounce that correctly, the EKSA AirJoy Pro. Seems to be a 7.1 surround sound gaming headset. So I did not buy these myself. My company, the company I work for, reimbursed this because we needed a headphone and we are all working from home. So yeah, this is it, and it seems to be a gaming headphone, so maybe I can test it out in a few weeks and give you a full review, but for now let's go ahead and unbox this. Okay, so straight up you get this in two colors. One's the purple that I got it in, and also you can get it in red. And when I say colors, I mean you know, the colors that light up on the ear cups themselves. But apart from that, as we open the box, we can see we are greeted with Type-C USB cable to a USB Type A, and next we have the manual, the user manual, and some more cables. Let's pull out these. Okay, the user manual, I don't think I'll be needing that anytime soon. Next up we got some, seems like a thank you from the founder. Yeah, I'll need to look into it more. Maybe I'll get to know something more about the company as well. In any case, that's that. And next we got some more cables, including the mic, which is detachable in this case. So that's kind of pretty neat. And also we've got, okay, so it seems like we got a splitter, and everything seems to be gold plated, so that's always a good thing to see. We got a splitter, and as well as we also get Type-C USB to a 3.5mm jack, which is also again gold plated. And I love this lens flare here. Can you guys see that? Real cool, huh? Anyhow, okay, now moving on to the unboxing. Let's unbox the star of the show, the headphones themselves. It comes in this really nice soft feeling pouch, and inside there, oopsie, and we got the headphones in the flesh, or in the plastic in this case. It is plastic, but it does feel good in the hands. It's not really, it doesn't really feel like it's real cheap quality plastic, so I have high hopes for these. The cushioning up top is really nice. It seems, for now at least, this part seems to be made up of faux leather. I just hope it doesn't break. You can extend this as much as you want. I actually have a big head, so I might just need to extend that to its full range. And coming back to the ear cups, as you can see, these actually light up. For this one is gonna light up in purple, and for the red ones, red. Coming down here, we can see a physical mic mute button, which is a boon in this day and age of Zoom and Teams meetings. We also got a volume slider, or a volume wheel. We got a Type-C port, and we also got a 3.5mm input jack. And on the other side, there's not really much. And you can actually you can actually rotate them to about 90 degrees, and that's about it. These seem to be pretty flexible at first sight. I guess only time will tell if these are as comfortable as it seems for now. And let me just clean this mess up real quick and give you an overview of what the box actually had right about now. So yeah, this is all that was in the box, and I'm definitely looking forward to using these headphones. They seem to be like they are made up of plastic, but the belt seems to be really nice. It seems like they're nice quality of plastics, and the cushions as well. So yeah, let's hope for the best and see how these headphones perform. That's been it, guys. Thanks for watching this one, and I hope to see you guys soon in the next video as well. So yeah, till then, stay safe.